Hello, greetings to each one of you. Today I am going to share with you one of the very important subject of what my family should know. Now, what is this? What my family should know? It is a family record keeper. It is a complete family record keeper which contains 50 type of information in one book. Probably it is rarest of rare in India we would find such compilation. Our team has taken special pain to design this need-based tool for our clients and community at large. I am going to share the link in the description box so as to help you download the PDF version and you can use it for your purpose. Now you would be curious to know what this Informica is all about. The very objective of any family is to earn, accumulate and pass the legacy to the family. It is observed that in many cases that after the absence of the breadwinner, bread earner or main person of the family most of the time is clueless about what actually do we own, what were the transactions that our family had in partnership or in other relationship. So this Informica has fullest of full information. Now, what is this gift of wealth? I would say it is a very handy Informica. This contains the family tree, the passport detail, ration card, Aadhaar card, driving license, demat, bank account, pension account, GST details, important passwords that we have for multiple reasons, our club membership, community interest, foreign currencies that we have at home, our liabilities, our home utility service provider number, our investment with shares, mutual fund, insurance, post office, real estate. If you are a director in a company, then company information, company director information number, our business of partnership, we have multiple business interests with multiple partners, so those informations are recorded. Our family values, our legal status, if we have any legal disputes within family, outside family, within business, those informations can be recorded. Power of attorney, if we have shared with somebody, our trustee information, if we are trustee with any of the charitable institutions, if within family there is history of any divorce, a child adoption, etc., if there is history of change of name and specimen signatures, these are the things that this record keeper has. Now, once we collectively share those information with the family, probably those informations are very much important to our family, be it in our absence or well with us. Let me share with you why such record keeper are critically important for our family. That we deal with multiple type of consultant, multiple advisors, and our interest of investments are varied. It could be jewelry investment, it could be real estate investment, it could be fixed deposit, it could be shares, it could be mutual fund, it could be private equity. Many type of interests that we have. Now, when we combine all the assets and liabilities, we derive our net worth. Then it also significantly helps us to derive at our asset allocation. It clearly tells that how much amount of percentage of wealth do we own in terms of physical assets and in terms of financial assets. Then once we are ready with all the history that family should know, it can help us to set our family goals, family meetings, family values, family council, and that helps us to take our family to a next level, to a next legacy. And it is a very healthy practice around the globe, and probably little early concept for country like India. But we are sincerely practicing this concept for family office, and we sincerely urge that you adopt this habit as early as possible so that you can empower your family. See, such a record keeper are critically important for our family because it will help us to empower our family. And such information is very much important for our family. It will help us to set our healthy practices. Probably in India, it is not very much in practice and much in demand. But trust me, believe you me, it is the future. Because if we were to be wealthy tomorrow than what we are today, then probably we certainly need such healthy practices. And around the globe, these are the practices that has helped global families to sustain, maintain, and grow their wealth. So I wish that we adopt such practices as early as possible, and we would be happy to assist you for any help. Thank you.